lecture, that is kappa particles. Kappa particles, they are the toxic substances which are kappa particles. These are the toxic substances present in the paramecium. The paramecium which contain the kappa particles वाले paramecium I will draw by red color. ठीक है? That is this paramecium which contain paramecia, the paramecium which contain the kappa particles, that is called the killer trait. Killer trait. Means they contain a toxic substances what are called kappa particles, which contain the kappa particles, that is called the killer trait, because it contain the kappa particles, they produce the toxic substance, that is called the paramecin. Paramecin. That toxic substance is called paramecin. This is clear to everyone. They produce a toxic substance, its name is paramecin. The animal, the paramecium which contain the paramecin, which have kappa particles, that has capacity to produce the paramecin. That's why it is called the killer trait. Another one which do not have kappa particles, they are called the sensitive trait. Sensitive trait. It is clear? Killer particle, Ginach killer kappa particles plus kappa particles, they are the killer trait, minus kappa particle, they are called the this is one thing important. Second thing which is important with these things, these kappa particles, they transfer from one generation or one animal to another animal, like जिस तरह conjugation हो इसी to paramecia, they attached with each other through this conjugation tube. इस तरह ही सी ना, this conjugation tube. These kappa particles, they are transferred from one animal, means from killer trait to sensitive trait through cytoplasm. Through cytoplasm, not by genes. This is example of they transfer. I am again telling you, they are transferred from one this killer, this is a sensitive trait, this is a killer trait. So these contain the kappa particles. These kappa particles transfer from one animal to another through cytoplasmic. Now one term I will use, this is called cytoplasmic inheritance. Cytoplasmic inheritance. What is inheritance? This is the example of cytoplasmic inheritance. Genetics च वैसे आपा पढ़ी होनी है, but maybe it is not clear to everyone. Generally the characters, they are carried by the genes. Normally all the characters, जिस तरह साढ़े बाल किदां दे है, साड़ियां अक्खां किस तरह दियां, साड़ा कलर किस तरह दा है, हाइट किस तरह दी, these all characters, they are controlled by genes which are present in the nucleus or in the form of chromosomes or in the form of genes. But these kappa particles, they move from one cell to another through cytoplasm. Otherwise, they are passes by the genes. जिस तरह माइटोसिस च आपां देखिया वा, मियोसिस च देखिया genes दे through pass करदे हैं. Here they are passes through this. So it is called the cytoplasmic inheritance. The characters which are carried by the cytoplasm. Write down the definition. The characters which are controlled by or carried by the cytoplasm, they are called the cytoplasmic inheritance. Inheritance means pass of character from one generation to another. This is clear? और दो पैरामीशियम आपस दे विच कदों एक दूसरे नाल अटैच्ड हुंदे आ? कॉन्जुगेशन च. कॉन्जुगेशन. और देयर इज ट्रांसफर ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म. न्यूक्लियस ते ट्रांसफर हुंदा ही है ना. माइक्रो न्यूक्लियस ट्रांसफर टू द अनदर वन. लेट इट बी this transfer to here. Micronucleus that move to here. This is equivalent to egg or this is equivalent to sperm. When they move, then some cytoplasm also move from here to here. Clear? If these particles also moves from here to here, from here to here, let it be some particles is also there, kappa particles. दो एग होंदे हैं ना, इधरों भी ट्रांसफर करते हैं, इधर याद है रेसिप्रोकल ट्रांसफर. If these copper particles transfer into it, now it is a sensitive trait or it is a killer. देखो मेरी गल ध्यान नाल समझनी है. These copper particles when transfer into here from killer trait to sensitive trait, they produce the toxic substance, that is paramycin. So this should be dead. क्योंकि इन्हें टॉक्सिक सबस्टांस कितों उन्होंने सहन करने की शक्ति तो चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए, तो इट विल डाई. क्लियर? बट इन सम केसेस इट बिकम आल्सो किलर ट्रेट. सम केसेस इट आल्सो बिकम किलर ट्रेट एंड इट विल नॉट डाई. इन व्हाट केस it become killer trait? Now problem is this, in what state this will not die? In one case, if these kappa particles move here, it will become die. In second case, it will remain alive or become killer trait. ठीक है? थर्ड ऑप्शन इज आल्सो देयर. मैं दसनी हाँ कि किस केस से किलर ट्रेट बन. थर्ड ऑप्शन इज आल्सो देयर व्हेन इट इज This is a sensitive, this is killer. Conjugation is there. If these killer traits means kappa particles they don't transfer. ਜੇ transfer ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ, what will happen? If conjugation is for little time, these kappa particles not move here, then what happened? This remain sensitive, this remain killer. ऐसे तो कोई खतरा ही नहीं है. Clear? This is one. This I think this is clear to everyone. This is first option. This option is during when conjugation is for small time. For small time. This is condition with this. So that kappa particles cannot transfer to the sensitive trait. कित्थों जाने आ वो साइटोप्लाज्म तो इसका मतलब कट साइटोप्लाज्म ट्रांसफर होए. Clear? Secondly, second option, this killer, this will die out. Third option, they both become this sensitive trait become die. Third case, now one thing understand, these kappa particles they are denoted by KK because every gene, every character that has two genes, याद है जदों सी पढ़िया सी कि tall है, that means it is like this. So every character is controlled by 2G. This contain the genes capital K, which contain the kappa particles or which is a killer trait. Clear? Second option is also there. If it is a capital K, small k, capital K and small k, in that case it is also a killer one. Clear? Third is small k, which contains small k, that is a sensitive trait. That is a sensitive trait. Clear? Now cytoplasm control, but genes, they passes through or present in the cytoplasm and passes through cytoplasm, but the genes, they control the kappa particles, they are in the nucleus. They are in the nucleus in the form of capital K, small k, small k. ਹੁਣ मैं ਜਿਹੜੀ चीज़ समझान लगी हाँ ਉਹਨੂੰ टैक्नीकली समझना वा. क्लीयर? मान लो ये कोल इट इज़ ए कैपिटल के और it is a capital K or small k. No doubt it is a killer trait. They have genes with a killer trait, but they don't have kappa particles. अभी तो हो सकता है ना, क्योंकि kappa particles ने किस तरह ट्रांसफर होना है साइटोप्लाज्म, तो मे बी वो kappa particles उधर ट्रांसफर ही ना हो. It is a capital K or it is a capital K, small k or maybe capital K or capital K, but they are deprived of kappa particles. ये तो genes है but ये तो kappa particles नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि kappa particles ने टेक्निकली समझ लो kappa particles ने कितना ट्रांसफर होना है साइटोप्लाज्म. मान लो इधर ट्रांसफर ही नहीं हुई किसी कारण करके, तो यह की रहेगा सानू देखन च की लगेगी सेंसिटिव ट्रेट. क्लियर? इफ दीज kappa particles transfer into here, it will not die out. Why it is not die? Because they contain the kappa particle genes. क्लियर होई मेरी गल? इफ दिस कंटेन both the small genes small k, if kappa particles transferred here they will die out. ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋਣਗੇ? ਮਰ ਜਾਣਗੇ। ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਈ ਮੇਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ? ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਏ ਸਾਈਟੋਪਲਾਜ਼ਮਿਕ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਅਰ ਇਨਹੈਰੀਟੈਂਸ। ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਆਫ ਸਾਈਟੋਪਲਾਜ਼ਮਿਕ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਅਰ ਇਨਹੈਰੀਟੈਂਸ। ਹੁਣ ਬਣਾਓ ਡਾਇਗਰਾਮ, ਉਹ ਤੋਂ ज़्यादा क्लीयर होएगा। ਇਹ तीन चीज़ां समझ आनियां चाहिए। Now they have capacity to bear the paramycin। ਇਹ ਤੇ ਪੈਰਾਮੀਸਿਨ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਟੌਕਸਿਕ ਸਬਸਟੈਂਸ, ਇਹ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਵਾ। ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪੈਰਾਮੀਸਿਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਕੌਣ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਕਰ ਲੇਗਾ? कैपिटल के एंड कैपिटल के और कैपिटल के और स्मॉल के। जे स्मॉल के फिर नहीं कर सकता। ठीक है, लक्ष्मी आराम नाल बैठो, ऐसा ना हो मैनू कुछ कहना पवे। फर्स्ट डायग्राम क्लियर है? इन केस ऑफ 1 when they are joined with each other, when they are joined with each other, this is a killer trait, this is a sensitive trait. During conjugation they join with each other. Killer and sensitive. क्लियर है? टोटल 8 बंदे हैं जो प्रीवियस लैक्चर आप देखा। हेयर द फ्रॉम द किलर ट्रेट they remain the killer traits. टोटल 8 बंदे हैं, 4 they are of killer traits. They remain the killer trait. They contain the kappa particles. If the conjugation is for small period or this sensitive trait PMT man, they remain the sensitive. What is the condition? If conjugation is for a short period or small period or short period, means no transfer of kappa particles, because kappa particles किस तरह ट्रांसफर होने हैं? थ्रू cytoplasm, not by genes, they passes by the cytoplasm. This is clear? क्लियर है? दिस इज सेफ, टोटल 8 आर formed. In second case, if conjugation is for long period, conjugation is for a long period, they all become killers. Eight are of a killer trait. If conjugation is for long period or there is a transfer of kappa particles, why they live? A killer trait किस केस से जी remain alive? If they have genes ठीक है ना, if they have genes कैपिटल K और कैपिटल K और कैपिटल K और स्मॉल K. Everyone understood? This is the example of cytoplasmic nuclear inheritance. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन तेरे आंदे ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ देख ठीक है, क्लियर है? दिस इज फाउंड इन पैरामीशियम ओरिलिया. ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੋ ਹੈਗੇ ਸੀ, टू माइक्रोन्यूक्लियस दैट स्पीसीज. ठीक है, ऐसा समझ आ गया? एक और ਆਪਾਂ टॉपिक करिए हेमिक्सिस. ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਨਾ रिप्रोडक्टिव टाइप्स that will be completed. Then is the, this is clear, हेमिक्सिस. चलो कल करेंगे ना, दैट इज अंडरस्टूड. चलो.